You wherever you are, I do hope that you can join. Really are something, a beautiful picture under the floodlights. Traffic and transport round here, not the kindest, but regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here. There is a sense of theatre, and the decibel levels are rising. This place, simply a monument to the game. So much prestige, so much pride, so much passion whenever football is played here. Oh, great save, real class.
Rummenigge simply didn't do...
Cleared without complication. No, he's not getting his way this time. It's a pretty loose pass. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
Well, Peter, this guy Manuel Neuer claimed once that he had a catalogue in his head of all opponents.
Can he finish? It's there!
Listen, the big names earn their regular presence, Phil, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more.
Oh, the deftness of touch, received it delightfully and finished it off sumptuously. Liverpool didn't expect this, that's for sure. What can they do now? Pirlo. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Kante makes the interception. And there's green grass ahead of him. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Alexander-Arnold. Cross deflected over the... Cleared away. And now a sudden chance to counter. Thiago Silva cuts out the pass. Pressing is high and relentless. De Ligt. De Ligt is fouled. Well, that... Casemiro. Thiago Silva gets over and intercepts. No, again there's no way through. Kostic gives his colleague a guilty look.
Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
Wagner cuts it out.
They've been denied a chance to develop any rhythm in the passing department.
For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Griezmann. Chiesa. Alexander-Arnold. Now who's going to be first to this? Oh, the ball's come loose here. Oh, what a wonderful stop!
Kante is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment.
Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Fiddles it through. Now it's Kostic. Now it's Kostic. Well seen. Saw that coming. A second corner now. He's tried one! And that's straight down the keeper's throat.
Very speculative with little threat, if any, for the keeper.
And that has left him in a heap. And he's lost his man here. Alexander-Arnold with the foul. Lots on that one. Thiago Silva. Zaniolo. Oh, that's well spotted. Rummenigge sends it forward. Rummenigge. Oh, he's had it nicked away from him. Rummenigge, already of course on the score sheet. Neymar takes on his marker. Well, the crowd clearly like what they just saw. Some real no-nonsense defending. And here's Rashford. Oh, he's going to be disappointed with that. Rummenigge!
2 added minutes has been indicated.
And the keeper passes the test.
Well, you can't...
This possibly the last play of the half. They've played it short. Griezmann. And it's Cancelo. Oh, no question, that's a foul. And there is the half-time whistle. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but one that still had its moment.
Number 6, Griezmann.
And the action is back on the way.
Coming on the field is...
Well, 1-0 may be
Number
good enough,
10.
so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond
taking
it.
place.
They could even try to spoil.
And that's definitely not his best. And that interception was most necessary. João Cancelo. Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. Chance to break. Rummenigge. It's Pirlo. And it's Neymar. Now it's Zaniolo. Good spot, he's seen the run. He's got a hit! And that has been clubbed away. Valverde. Pirlo.
Have beautifully policed that midfield. The opposition have been handcuffed.
Well intercepted, and it certainly needed to be. Over to the left.
Well, it's a move of great promise, but will it really prove productive?
Defending of the desperate variety. And the pass is intercepted. Upamecano. Chiesa. Alexander-Arnold. Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there. Alexander-Arnold. Alexander-Arnold really struggling to influence the game.
He needs a minder, and one of his teammates should be picking up on that, and quickly.
Rummenigge. And it's Neymar. Neymar! Decent enough try.
Neymar has taken on too much there. That isn't one of the areas he thrives on.
João Cancelo. Skriniar is there, and he can get that clear. Neymar. Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. He's a sharp little ball here.
Neymar. Coming on to replace him is number 22, Chiesa.
Another throw-in. And that's played in low. Well read, and the danger is averted. Still no way through. The defending here is resolute. And here's Rashford.
It's Rashford!
He's got away with one there. Kostic is there, and he can pick it up. The pass wasn't good enough there, and he knows it. Valverde. The danger is cut out. It's come through, and he's had a quick look inside.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Zaniolo is in a really good position out wide. He can get that clear. Liverpool get it back again. Zaniolo. Now it's Kostic. De Ligt. Good pressure, no shortage of purpose here. Still just that single goal and we are nearly done. That pass has been well intercepted. Now Pirlo. That's a poor pass, too easily intercepted. Valverde. Zaniolo. Out to the left it goes. Steered out wide, but he won't reach that one. Chiesa. Chiesa.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Couldn't quite squeeze that one through.
I thought it was going to happen
Two
then.
added
How
minutes
many
has been
more chances
indicated.
can they realistically expect now?
Oh, Red, nice interception. Spread out to the left. Zaniolo. Chiesa. Closing in on goal. And that's that. What a game. End to end, it flew by, and in the end, it all came down to just the odd goal. And after all of that, Jim,